Natalie, you just can't get enough of me, can you? Huh? Ashley, what's up?
Terry. Terry.
Ashley, what's wrong?
Terry, it's my dad. He passed, Terry. He died.
Oh my God. Ashley, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that.
I just need my best friend to talk to me right now.
Ashley, you know I'm with you. You know I'm here for you.
Yeah.
Where are you?
At my mom's. But she's still at the hospital.
Ashley, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that.